Hello my friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this smart lock. This is by NicE DIGI. So smart locks are pretty much all the rage right now with Airbnbs and everything else like that. They're super simple to allow people to access your doors and stuff without compromising security. This one particular lock, you can open it with the passcode, with a fingerprint, with a key, it comes with a swiping card, and also I believe with an app. So here on top we have the instructions, we have a little mounting plate there, and this is nicely wrapped. Here we have spare screws. Here's all you need for assembly. These are super easy to assemble. Here's the hardware there. We have here is our two keys and also the two swipe cards I was talking about. You just swipe it on the front of it and it opens up. It's really nice. Here's our stop plate. I believe that's what it's called, or striker plate. And here's the bolt assembly there. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like. We have our one side here. This is the home side. A nice matte finish door there, handle metal, and then gonna have this one's gonna take 4 AA batteries there. Run this thing. All right. On this side we have this is gonna be the outside one, super solid. This is all metal. We have our fingerprint reader here. We have the swipe indicator. We have the key, and we also have our number pad here, so we can set that up and get it working. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna assemble it, and then I'm gonna need to install it, and then show you how to set up that, work the app, and the fingerprint and all that like that. So let's get into it right now. Initialization successful. Okay, so we can go to add device. Okay, request the following, continue. And don't allow, only this time. Okay, so we're gonna add our lock, Bluetooth, lock, Wi-Fi. Searching for nearby devices. Enable Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth real quick here. Okay, it'll prompt you for allowing nearby devices, and just go to click that. Also make sure your Bluetooth is on, and then once you hit add, it'll discover this one here. Then you, after it's discovered devices, hit add there, and your smart lock is being added. Just keep your phone close to your thing, and it's done already, close to the lock. I'm just gonna go name it here, front door. Done. Okay, successfully added. And now we can set up, we can hold this to tap or set this to unlock.
Unlocked.
Just literally unlock my door, which is really cool. And it gives me a little notification that that is done. So that's sweet. So we can add members. I am the administrator, and we can set up different things. We're going to add fingerprints. So if I want to add the card here, I just click add, and how to add the card. Place the card on the recognized area shown in the figure, and do not remove the card until the lock indicates it's been added. So we're just going to put it on there.
Operation failed. Operation failed.
Okay, we're going to hit add first, and then we're going to put it on there.
Please input.
There we go. So I have my key right on that portion of the lock. Right where it's supposed to be. And here we go.
Operation failed.
It says operation failed. Okay, we're gonna try it again, retry. Timed out. Okay, so we're gonna add card, click add.
Please input.
And put that on the front of the card, on the front of the lock there. Keep the card close. It's making some little noises. Okay, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Operation failed. All right, hang on. We're going to try to do a fingerprint here real quick. So add, place on, okay.
Please input.
Add.
Please input again.
Okay, and you just
Please
want to put your
input
thumb
again.
on different angles
Please
on
input again.
the
Please input again.
on the device.
Operation successful.
There we go. So we added mine, fingerprint name, and that was left thumb, or right thumb. Okay. So you can add the rest of your family members. So now let's see if I can open this up.
Operation failed. Unlocked.
Unlocked with my thumb. And we can do a passcode too, just whatever you want to do to set those up. It's pretty easy. So I can add my other family members and things like that. Okay, added one card real quick. I'm going to add another one. Just hit add and add.
Please input.
The other one added like instantaneously.
Operation successful.
Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to put card 2. Okay, so whenever these cards are read or anything, fingerprint or anything that's registered, it'll tell you who opened up your door and with what on your app. So that's really cool. Super easy to work with here. Setup's a breeze. Let's check final like kind of. Okay, and now we can just access this with our thumb.
Operation failed. Unlocked.
Like that, and also use the the lock, and I can also use the key. And then if I want to, I could set up my passcode too and just put it whatever one I want, just set it through the app and push that in and just enter my thing and we're good to go. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day and we'll see you next time.